Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos, and today we're talking about how to solve linear systems graphically. Okay, so in previous videos we talked about linear functions, we talked about y equals mx plus b, we talked about ax plus by equals c, standard form there. So what we're going to do today is basically, instead of just graphing one linear equation, we're going to graph two linear equations, and where they meet or cross is the answer. So we will go through the same things or the steps that we use to graph y is equal to mx plus b. Okay, and we would graph one line, let's say it went like that, and then we graph another line, let's say it went like that, and where they meet at is the answer. So that's what we're going to be looking at today. Let's take a look at our first example. Okay, so we've got two linear functions. They're both in slope-intercept and form, and what we're going to do is just graph them. Okay, so I'm going to start off with y is equal to 1/2 x minus 2. And what I'm going to do is go down to the -2, the y-intercept, and see if I can zoom in. This is kind of small. Alright, so we'll go in for the y-intercept here, which is -2, and I'm going to follow the slope, the rise over run. I go up 1 and over 2, and you can keep doing it so you have some more dots so you can draw your line. You can also do this when you have 1/2 here, make them both negative, go down 1 and back 2. Okay, so now we got a line, and that's pretty straight. Okay, so we got one line. Now we'll go ahead and do the other one. Okay. Alright, so this is a y-intercept of -6. Starts here. And the slope on that one is -3 over 2. Or you could do 3 over -2. Alright, so if we go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and go to the right 2, we're right here. If we go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and back 2, we're right there. Okay, and now we got that line. And where they meet is right here. So all I need to do now is plot that point, and you want to make sure you use parentheses here. So I'm going to change colors back to black. Change the parentheses here, and you're going to have -2, -3. X before y. And then that's your answer. Alright, let's take a look at another example. Alright, you can go ahead and pause the video here and see if you can solve this one. Alright, so let's take a look at this one, and I'm going to zoom in and make this bigger. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and graph each one. So we've got 1 here. I'm going to just do this first one. First one here. So we got +4. So we start off at +4. We go down 1 and to the right 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. and then I can go up 1 and back 6. And since it's negative, my line is going down. Not too straight. Let's try that. A little bit better. One more go at it. Alright. So that's the first one. Now we're going to do this one. Start at 1 and go up 1 and over 3. Up 1 and over 3. Or down 1 and back 3. And now I got that line. And where they meet at is the answer. So that's going to be, and make sure you put it in parentheses, 6, 3. And that's my answer. Alright, now that was solving linear systems graphically, and on the next video I'm going to show you what to do if your equations are not both in slope-intercept form. But that's it for now. Have a good day.